Sup YouTube, what's going on? Jake here, and today we're back into the legend game that is Subnautica. A little disclaimer, if you hear noises in the background, that's me. I don't know why, but I have the hiccups, and it's really not good. I just had one there. Alright, so right here, you may be wondering, why is there two rooms stacked up on top of each other? Well, I have a lot of plans for today. First, I want to make the observatory my little desk and chair area. Like, if you take a look over here, it's in miscellaneous, there's a desk, a chair, and like a lab counter, and I want it to be in this room. But then I had a really good idea. Maybe I can put this room above the water, so it kind of has a view of like the aurora and stuff. So yeah, that's plan number one. Plan number two is I heard you can make a fish. Oh, what the heck? A fish tank in these big rooms, and so I have the two rooms stacked, so I can make a double large fish tank. And then I was going to this thing, trying to find the fish tank, and it isn't in here. I mean, we do have this aquarium, but that's not what I'm talking about. So I'm looking around, and I couldn't find it. And I looked it up in the wiki, and you have to go get the fragments for them. And they're in some Grand Reef, is what it's called. So that's plan number two. Plan number three is to make my sea moth. And I went ahead and found the constructor fragments because I didn't want to film that process because it took a long time. Like, it was legit an hour of searching. But I finally found them. And then, so yeah, if we come over here in deployables, mobile vehicle bay. So you need titanium ingot, lubricant, and power cell. Oh, remember those things? I don't know if I showed you, but we gotta kill him. Oh, see, look what happened. Get off. Get killed. All right, we need to go find copper for batteries. Are you kidding me? All three of the samples that I found, they're all been titanium. Yay, copper. All right, back to the base, because I don't want to stay out here any longer. Whoa. All right. Let's make some batteries. First, actually, we got to make some silicone rubber, because we know we need that. Alright, now batteries. And now power cell. And now mobile vehicle bay. Alright. That's going to take a minute. Let me clear up some space. There we go. Alright, so we know we just gotta release it. Just right here. Woohoo! Now let's put the thing back in number 5. Alright. So we already have the fragments for the sea moth. Oh, I just picked it up. Dang it. Come on, go inside. There we go. Alright. Sea moth. We need titanium ingot, power cell, glass, and lubricant. Great, we just get everything else, and then alright, I'll find that, and then I'll be right back. Alright, we're back, and I got everything that we need. I just created them. Put that away. And I just realized up in the corner we have a new message. We'll go check that out after we build the sea moth. Oh, laggage. Alright, yeah, we already know what it is. We've gotten it, but we accidentally didn't save it. So we'll do that, and then we'll go check out the message. Alright. Alright. Let's go to here. Alright. To the new message. As you can see, the light is going. Yeah, we've already got this message, I think.
Scanning the planet for dry land as we speak. You couldn't have picked a less convenient partner.
Yeah.
Touch as soon as we have a landing site for you. Sunbeam out.
Yeah, we already knew that. You already told us that. In an alternate reality. Alright, back to the base. Oh wait, we gotta take the steam off. We can't just leave it here. Alright, so we got one of the things checked off our list. Next is water. Do you have any salt? Nope, I gotta go find that. Alright. Why are those guys still floating around the mobile vehicle bay? That's weird. Usually they just went back down, I thought. We want to go and make some water. So first we gotta make some bleach. Go get water. So we'll get the bladderfish water and then the disinfected water. Alright, let's take a look. Drink that. Alright, we're good. Let's cook some peepers. And then I want to also catch some for when we get our fish tank. If we get our fish tank. I hope so. Alright. Next on our checklist was the office, or the home base, or my lounge, whatever you want to call it. It's going to have a desk and a chair. So we're going to deconstruct that, and we're going to need a lot of titanium for this to make the dream happen. But you know what? It'll be completely fine. So now we're going to go over here and get one of those. Get another one. And we need some more titanium. Now we're almost there. I think we can make like 2 more with the titanium that I grabbed. And we're almost out of the water here. Yeah, look, now we're out of the water. And so I just need it to be like, can I not? Okay, I have to grab some more titanium real quick and make a little corridor. We should. Actually, we could probably do it right now, I think. Let's see. I might have to so I'm gonna make that there so that it connects, and then we're gonna need I think we need like 4 titanium more, which we have. Alright, should be pretty good. Oh wait, it's already overlooking. Well, I already grabbed some extra titanium, might as well make the corridor a little more, and then we can build the observatory. Oh wait, actually, no, I know exactly what we'll do. We're gonna use this extra titanium for building the chair and desk, because we need that. So boom, look, it's out of the water. So but we also need the titanium. How much do we got? Alright, we got enough. I need to make a ladder in order to get up there. So we gotta grab that. Build that up right here. Alright. So we should climb all the way up. And look, we're above the water. We got this really nice view. There's a weird floater just chilling on the surface. But let's see, what do we need? So they only take 1 titanium, so should we actually maybe do I want the lab counter instead? How big is that? Yeah, because this could be like my research on the animal life and get it centered. Alright, let's grab that. And now we can make, fine, we won't have the lab counter. Just get a regular old desk. But you know what, that's fine. It's gonna look amazing in its place. And now with the swivel chair, we can put it like that. All right. Let's take a look. So you sit down. Not enough space to sit. Do you have to scoot it back? What the? Oh no. Oh no. Did that literally just quit out? No. Tell me it saved. Tell me it saved. Let's see. Where's my world? It's this one. Please. Tell me that saved. If it didn't save, that would be terrible. I don't think I saved it. I literally think I just deleted everything that I just created. No. Why? No. That took so long. No. Why? Why? The stupid game. I quit out in a stupid world. And the stupid things. I was trying to build the stupid... let's see. No! Alright, guys. I'm gonna try and get everything back that I had. And I'll come back to you. I'll see if I can. Alright, I think we're back to where we were. Putting in this chair. Alright, I think we're back on track. We got a nice view above the ocean of the aurora and our little desk here. I think we're back on track. I did lose some of my stuff, but that's okay. I think we're back on track. I got the sea moth docked outside. I already made that. I got the sea moth docked outside. Yeah, so we gotta build our new oxygen tank, which is in this guy. Resources. Alright, high capacity tank. So I have the standard O2 tank. We can make 2 glass, titanium is easy, and silver ore we can get too. So let's start by making the glass. So we got that. Next we gotta grab some titanium. Alright, I got some titanium. What else do we need? We got the titanium. We just gotta get some silver, and that'll be easy. We just gotta go get the sandstone. Those are everywhere. Like, there's probably some in here. Yeah, see, look, right here. Silver ore. And titanium we don't need. Alright, let's get out of here. Yeah, alright, let's go make our high capacity tank. So first we gotta take this off so that they understand that we actually have it. And high capacity. Yes, now we'll be able to breathe. I don't know how much longer. Let's see. Dang. 135 seconds? That's pretty good. Alright, we've gotten a lot of stuff checked off our list already. We do have to go get the fish tank, though. If y'all remember that, I said we have to go get the fish tank. And in order to do that, they're in a couple of places. Number 1 being the Grand Reef. Oh, I think the island is over here. Yeah. So here's the island. Yeah, it's kind of slow loading in, but yeah, there is an island, and we just kind of want to go down from here, and we will eventually get down into the Grand Reef area. Oh, I didn't think about that. I didn't think about... Oh, look, you can kind of see it. Maybe we should just go. I know we're gonna get killed. Alright, you know what? We gotta get a pressure compensator. No. Oh, wait, but in order to do that, we need a moon pool. But the moon pool fragments are in the Grand Reef, too. What am I supposed to do? Alright, so I've looked it up. And, I guess we can kind of find them around the red grass area and around the mushroom forests. I don't know why I didn't think about looking there first. I just thought the Grand Reef would be kind of cool to look. But, yeah, we're going to have to definitely check around there and see if we can find anything. What the? There's another life pod? Life pod 3? I don't know if I've explored this already. But, Hun news indicator. Compass. Wow. Does that mean we can make compasses? I mean, we kind of already get a compass on our sea moth, but I don't know. I guess we can see if we want to make that. Alright, we made it back home. Yeah, I want to resupply here, get some water and stuff. Alright. So now we're gonna go back into the base and get some water and food. Oh yeah, the compass. Copper wire and computer chip. Alright, we might have to do that. Not now. Right now, we just need some food. We just gotta stock up. Get some stuff to drink, like bleach. And yeah, we'll be good. Alright. So let's stock up. Let's get something to drink. Alright. Filled us up pretty good. Alright, now we want to go get the alien containment fragments. Because I want to have an aquarium in my house. Wait, what is this? Alien containment fragment. Woohoo! Alright, we got one. And we got a databank entry. So let's check that out. Let's check the databank, see what it says. Where is it? Which one is it? Oh, technical. Is it equipment? No. Habitats? Yeah, alien containment. Innocent sauce. Never mind, I don't like reading. Ooh. Oh, this makes it so we can, we don't have to look at the signals for like our home base and stuff. It won't show it. That might be handy if any of our things get broken and we don't want to accidentally go to that instead of... Ooh, what is that? Is that another egg? Ow, I got hit myself. Yeah, we got another egg. Hey, stay out of this, buddy. This is my sea vehicle. Why do these fish keep crashing into my my base thing? Like, ooh, is that another one? That's probably another one. Why is it? It literally just crushed this little plant thing. Alright, let's scan it up. And now, yay, we can make the alien containment. Finally, I've been searching for a while now. See if there's any... Yeah. Alright, let's see. Officer Kane, life pod. Captain's gone. I have assumed command. Scan so dry land. Kilometers south of crash site. Stay together and regroup at the rendezvous point. Good luck. This message will now repeat. I don't want to hear it again. I don't need to. I got it. We all know. Rendezvous coordinates corrupt. Transmission Okay. Not sure what that means, but... So we're back at the base. And let's see if we can make the alien containment thing. Yeah. Provides optimal conditions for flora and fauna. So that means we can get fish and plants to grow in there. It's double. Alright, I think we got plenty of quartz. Let's see, how many do we have? Oh yeah, we got a lot. Alright, base is that way. And we also got some more peepers. Should be good. So let's come over here. And then, we're gonna have to make a whole ton of glass. Alright, let's try. See if we can build our stuff now. The big aquarium. Woo! Look how big this is. It's huge. And then they said, yeah, look, so you can go on top of it, but we can also make it double layered. So there's more space for the fishes to swim around in. And then I also heard that you need a hatch to get in. Yeah, like over here. Yeah, add a hatch to enter. So we got to do that. Alright. So we got enough for a hatch. Actually, we got to go make the titanium. Never mind. Alright, guys, I actually had a pretty good idea. I think that, so I made enough so I could have 2 hatches, one for down here, which we'll put right there, one for down here, and then we can also put one up here too. So that way we have like kind of like an elevator, and if we like deconstruct that, the ladder, yeah, look, then we have kind of a little elevator to get back down. Wow. Alright, let's drop off some stuff, like all these peepers. Oh. And then we can also drop the eggs in here, and then they'll hatch. So that's pretty cool. Let's go grab the other eggs that we have. So let's drop those. And then with the planter, you can plant things in here. So that's... I have to keep running errands, but let's come over here. And we use the planter. Switch container. Huh. Maybe I'm thinking wrong. Maybe you can't put the green ones in the water. I think you put the green ones in the pots. Like, you can get the planters. What am I doing? 5. Over here. Let's see. So there's an exterior grow bed, but we want interior. Yeah, we can get an interior. Oh, new message. And then a plant pot. Maybe we should put the plant pot up in our little room up here. Yeah, I think that would be better. So you have a little design, so it's not all just nothing cool going on. And then we can move that into there. Move that into there. And then they'll start to grow, I think. Yeah, look, there they are. It's little tiny. But it is still there. The little plants are growing. Let's go check on our new message. Let's hope it's a good one this time. What do we got?
Aurora is Sunbeam.
What the?
Made orbit, and scans have found a landing site on the planet that's only rated hazardous.
What?
It's our best shot. We've sent you the coordinates. We'll be there in 2 days' time. Cross your fingers the weather holds. Don't leave us waiting. Sunbeam out.
Oh. So they're in the orbit now. Look, Sunbeam will arrive in 39 minutes. Oh man. If you guys are excited for that, let me know in the next episode. Yeah, you guys thought that I was gonna continue. Nah, we're done. I've been recording for way too long, and yeah, if you guys want to see the sunbeam, and maybe we'll get rescued, and then the series will end. But we'll see you guys in the next episode. Like and subscribe if you're ready, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace out.